Hi to all, ZRC Dark here. Today I'm gonna unbox the Eachine EV800D goggles. So I'm gonna open the box and see if the goggles are inside. So let's open this up. Here we have the plug for European and here are the goggles. Oh, in the box it is empty. We don't have nothing. So here are Eachine EV800D goggles. So the box is okay. So here we have diversity. So we have two antennas, and let's open this box and see what we have in. So here we have user's manual. Thank you for choosing EV800D 5.8 GHz FPV VR goggles. So thank you. If they work, I'll be very happy. So here we have separable design, so you can use this like a mini monitor. So that's nice. Here we have for cleaning the lens or the screen. And here we have, so this is the charging adapter, 12 volts, 200 milliamp hour. Nice. And here is our star. Whoa, wait, we have something else here. So here we have the cable. So the cable, and we need this plug to fit in so we can use it in Europe. So here we have one antenna. Here are the Eachine EV800, so they are very good and new. Whoa, we have the charging port, search button. So here you can make picture or take a video. So here it turns on. AV in. So here we have, what else have we here? Eachine. So let's take this off. And here you have protecting film, that's very nice. Here you have box. Nice box where you can put your goggles. And what else have we here? We have you can see another antenna. We have AV cable and charging cable for, so here you can fit your 2S battery, so that's nice. And let's turn this baby on. Let's see if it works. So you have to push this button to turn it on. Eachine. EV800D. So they work. Here you can see the channel and the frequency. The battery is here. So let's hit the search button. So here is the menu. Search button. Sorry, here you have search button. So there is the auto searching the channels. It won't be finding anything because nothing is on. So let me just plug the antennas. So let me check. Wait. So I was just looking to see how the antennas go, so I'm gonna put it like in picture here says. So this goes here. I'm gonna open the second antenna and put it here. So it got auto turn off function, which is good. So I'm gonna now try with my camera to see if this works or not. So let's turn this on. And see, search button. So it's auto searching. I think it will find the best channel. And here we have the camera. You cannot believe this camera works, and it works. I cannot believe, because you see white smoke coming out of this camera and it still works. That's nice. Just be careful. Black is positive. So here you can see the Eachine goggles work. They will be good starting goggles for me because I don't have anything else. So now I'm gonna turn off the goggles, and now I'm gonna mount this camera here. We're gonna see some real FPV. So thanks for watching. If you like it, put a thumbs up, subscribe and share with your friends. See you soon. Bye.